Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Queen Esther and I'm back again with another YouTube video. And for today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how I make this two-piece set that I actually sell, or that I actually happen to be selling. You can find these at my Instagram brand page at House of Oshu, or you can follow me on my social media account at EIOMedia for more inquiries. Everything will be linked down in the description box below. But anyways guys, please enjoy the video, and if you do enjoy the video, please do not hesitate to hit that like button down below. And also guys, please subscribe and join the family guys. We're almost at 200 subscribers, so thank you very much. I love y'all, and I guess we should get right into this tutorial. See you guys in my next video. Bye! Guys, so I just placed it on my bed and this is what it looks like. I'm going to bleach it now and go to the bathroom. So actually the fabric is really thick. It's like the thickest thing I've ever tried to like bleach. So I'm just going to place it on the surface of like my sink like that, and I'm going to pour some bleach out from the cap and do that. Alright, so before I started, I actually accidentally like dropped some already, so we just go with that. I have no idea if it's bleaching how I want it to. Oh my god, no! It's a long one! Okay, this is a disaster. Oh no. I wanted it like that. Maybe like close. Like that. Okay. Okay, so I found out that putting too much in this makes it pour and then string downwards. So I'm just going to like drip it instead of like find the corner, put it in there, and then try not to have that drip effect, because that is not what I'm looking for. All right, so like that, and that's what we have. That's how it looks. I think that's fine and good, so we're just gonna wash it up. All right guys, so it's just been bleached and this is what it looks like. It's actually really huge. This is the front, and then on the back it just looks like that. Pretty simple. So yeah, and now I'm just going to go on to the next and cut it into a two-piece, and I'll show you that right now. The next step to do now is to cut this out, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to use an old skirt, which is also from like a hoodie, which is basically the same style that I'm doing right now, and I'm folding it into half like so, and then placing where the band is, because like this has a much bigger band, so I'm going to put where the bands touch, and then have the bottom of the skirt here. And of course, since this was hemmed down, I'm going to give it a little bit of an extra for me to fold this down as well. So I'm going to cut somewhere around here right now, and that would be it. Okay, so now to continue from where we've stopped, we're going to cut this open and cut this side open as well, so we can separate the skirt into two right now. And to do that, I'm going to take my scissors and to the edge here, sort of like open it like that. Okay, and now cut the other side out. So there we go. Okay guys, so to continue from here, what I did was I just folded the ones we cut, that's the back, folded it up, and then also folded the front and placed it underneath, which I then extended it a bit outwards because there's going to be a zipper, and before you fix a zipper you always have to make an allowance for a zipper, which is that, and the zipper is on the front, so that's why this looks like this. What you can also do is take an old dress, an old skirt if you have something, and then place it over like this, and then just like cut it out to your size. But instead of doing that, for this one I am going to actually measure out the measurement and then cut it out. So I'll show you how I do that now. Alright, so to cut this out, I'm going to use a pencil and I can't remember. Anyways, the waist would be about a 6, but I'm going to give it an allowance to like an 8 here, and then chalk that down. And then for the hips, it would be let's just say a 20. So it would look something like that, and then we just cut this out. So this is like the front all like opened up, and now I'm just going to fold it back to how it was earlier, like that. And what I'm going to do now is cut this side open for the zipper. You open it and it should look something like that. The two sides are all separate now, and what we're going to do now is fix the zipper. Okay, so in order to fix the zipper, I decided to show you the zipper I got, and it's those that can like be detached from the top. Okay, so right now what I did was just place down the zipper how I'm going to actually stitch it. So I'm just going to sew this straight down and then repeat the same step here and sew that straight down as well. So I just zipped the one side down so you can see what I was talking about, and that's basically what it looks like. And we're going to repeat the same step on the other side, and I'll do that off camera. Okay guys, so the zipper is all fixed and this is what it looks like. I did it all the way till down, and the next part is to then run a quick stitch on both sides downwards, and then it would be like placed down. So we're going to use this thread to stitch this part down, and I'll show you what it looks like. So this is it stitched down, and on the inside it looks so good, and this is the other side as well. Yeah. Alright, just right now what I did was place the back on over the front like that, and I'm going to measure out the measurement and everything, and then we're going to like close the sides. And I don't think I'm gonna show you, I'm just going to sew a straight line so you don't have to see that. See ya. Okay guys, so I made a few alterations over there, but that was about it. And what I'm going to do now is cut out the excess, because there's like way too much excess over here and over here as well. Yeah, I'll just cut that out now, and then we'll come back to fixing to hem in the bottom. So yeah. And now next on the agenda is to cut these out. There we go. And I actually did make a mistake. I guess we're just going to have to stitch it down like that. Okay, so this is what this side looks like. But I'm going to continue and finish it up here, open it obviously, and then fold it like that and stitch it all the way to, you know, where the zipper is at. And towards the end, you just hold everything down in place together, and the rest looks like that. And you're just going to sew that straight down all the way to the end. Alright, this is what it looks like, guys. It looks good. That's all neat and stuff. It looks really good actually. And the zipper has a little cute heart. I'm actually so excited about that. Alright, so the next best part is to include our name tag. So basically, this is the finished product.